how to send gifts on iPhone iMessage. So all you have to do here is to go here directly to your iMessages, right? Now all you have to do is to choose the person that you want to send your gifts. So let's say this person. So to be able to send like just this one, like this. So on the bottom part, you will see a plus icon there. Click on the plus icon and tap on more. Now, look for this hashtag images and a little magnifying glass here. Click on that. And here you will see all the GIFs, all the gifts that you can actually send, and you can even search for specific ones. So let's say this one, and you will see all the gifts that's related to wow here. So let's say this one, and then just tap on send here, and basically that is it. And that is how you send gifts on iPhone iMessage. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.